Hey gang, welcome to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a KINSE shower system. This is a high pressure 5-spray dual 2-in-1 shower system. There's a diverter valve kick into it and involved in this kit as well. Install, you might need a plumber or you can do it yourself. It's up to you. 71-inch hose, 2 shower heads, all kinds of cool chrome. Finished plates, everything's in this kit. We're doing an unboxing. We're going to show you what's in this kit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, we're going to pull out each piece at a time because I really want to be very clear and very methodical with this. This is a big project. If you're doing this yourself or if you're looking for some really nice quality replacements for your home, pay attention to this. So it does come with an instruction manual, a little about the pieces, all what's included in here, and you can look at that at your leisure. I just want to show you what's in here. It is packed very well, my first impressions. That's really number one. I like the way it's packed. And let's pull it out piece at a time and see what we have. So first thing we have is one of the shower heads, handles. Again, made out of, these are all nice quality plastic. Again, corrosion-free, high quality, all to today's standards. And the nice threads right in the bottom here. You can see, and this is easy to just adjust the different tones of shower sprays. Nice quality, very well made. And I've bought a lot of these different products over the years, and this is a nice one. Different sprays, you can see that. So this is what it looks like. It's a good size handle. This is the first thing. Pull that out. Let's take that to the side. And let's see what else we have. All kinds of stuff in here. This is for the shower, the head itself. The shower head, this goes into your shower, you just thread this into the top of your shower head. And then you put your shower head on top of this. Goes inside the wall. This goes inside the wall. Plumber's putty, plumber's tape, all that kind of stuff. But this is just showing you what's in the kit. This goes in for the shower head, the spray. Okay. Here is the trim ring. Okay, trim ring goes in here. That's the trim ring. You can see that just pops on. So this goes into the head on the wall. You can see how that works. That's the trim ring. It has a built-in and already washer built into it, so that's included in the kit as well. Let's see what's on this top part here. There's some accessories, all the screws, Allen wrenches, all kinds of stuff in here, all included in the kit as well. This is all in the kit as well. Take it to the side. Let's see what's in here. And I like how they bag all this stuff. Just to see, this is really nice quality. Here is the trim ring, which is nice. This is made out of metal. Again, with the rubber seal going around it, made out of metal, hot and cold. What I like about this system, it has a built-in diverter control, so anti-scalding feature, which is nice. So it sets the temperature so you don't get burnt. That's really, really important, guys. I've had a shower without that one time, and it was horrible. As pressure changes in the house, water can change, and this helps with that. So hot and cold, as you can see, and it comes in a bag. So that's really nice. Here is the hose. Again, stainless steel hose. Really nice quality hose, and it has the anti-thread so you won't cross thread these, which is nice. 71-inch hose. Let's take a look at that together as well. And I really want you to see what's in the kit. That way you really know what you're getting, what you're getting. Everything has the plugs on it. That way it doesn't get ruined. Pop these plugs off, take this off, and you just screw right on. Really easy to use, really nicely made. And I like this hose. Nice strong hose. Anti-tangle, won't tangle, because these actually slide through like up and down like this here, so they won't tangle, which is nice. So they get that flexible head, so they won't tangle on you, which is really nice. Put that to the side.
Hey everyone, I just want to take a moment to thank you all for watching your review channel. Now, if I brought you some value and some education, please consider buying us a cup of coffee. What that does is help support our channel. Everything we do raise goes back into the channel and make more videos to give you more education, and that's what it's all about. So I do appreciate all your time and energy in watching my videos, and I'll see you at the next one.
We have another head. Now this head is the one that actually goes into the shower itself, and this one goes here. You can see like that. That'll go like that. Hopefully you can see how that looks. And you can adjust this, right? Like that. This tilts, this ticks, and like that. You can see that. That goes like that. So how you do it is basically the head fits into this. See how that fits into like that? The hose fits into the channel. This goes on top. You get the idea, right? I don't know why that's, get that out of the way. So you get that, right? This goes on top like that. This connects to this, and you can see how that's going to work, right? So that's how that kind of valve control. So you got this one, and then you got the main valve here. And this is a diverter valve, so you can do one head, two heads, both heads. That's what this is. This controls the diverter valve. This is the actual control valve. Okay, hopefully you can see that. You can see that. Okay, this goes up. Tells you it goes up. Here's the back of it. And these are all pressure, not pressure fitted, but these are actually screw-on fittings, as you can see here. So when you're screwing your plumber will attach these into the wall. Once you get these attached to the stud or the beam, you can see that. Then they just basically just set up all the valve. This is the valve out. You got the hot side, the cold side, and that's pretty much simple as that. Okay, so I just want to double check. So what to do, this is a little twist off. This is a protecting sleeve that comes off. You just untwist it and this pulls right off, as you can see here. So here's the actual valve. So this will sit inside the shower. This will stick out of the shower here. And then this valve here will just pop on here. This goes on this way. It's like that there. You can see that. So now you have the control of the hot and cold, off and on. As you can see there. Really nice, smooth operation. Really nice quality, as you can see here. They got the chrome. I love this chrome. Brass housing, standard brass housing. Looks very well made. Again, you screw these into your studs. Into the plumber will put this in. Then you install this, and then you have this piece here that stands like this. And I think you can leave this plastic on. It looks like it stays on. So it looks like this is all part of the install behind the wall. This will all pop through the wall. Then you have all this here. You have the control valves here, and you just basically screw this on here. You pop that on, and then you have a little screw, Allen screw here that pops to take this off, and you put your screw in, and that's how you attach it to this valve stem sticking out, which is made out of plastic. As you can see, again, it has a 5-year warranty, just to let you know. And it looks cool. So let's just take a look at it. Let's just pop this on here, how this looks, give you an idea of how it's going to look. That goes on like that. And it looks like to me this just slides on. There's no screws. It's pressure fitted to me. So it has a little rubber gasket that goes around here. So you just basically just push this on. It looks like to me, yep. Just push it on until it hits into the wall and a flush against your tile. Okay. And then you got your valve, the control valve, and bam. There it is. You can see how that looks. Okay, so let's do a recap and see what's in the whole kit one more time. So you get the manual, of course, like I told you. You get all the mounting screws. You get the little Allen wrench to hook up the valve with the handle, as you can see here. Extra plug if you need it. It has a plug on it, so if you do lose it, it does give you an extra plug, which is nice. It gives you the hose, the 2 shower heads, the actual control itself, the pressure plate, the plate, the cover, the whole setup. As you can see here, this is for the actual shower itself. This is what you put in. This goes in the wall. You pop this in. Like this here, the trim piece. That gives you the trim piece. The main shower head attaches to this. Make sure you use plumber's tape. Okay. So it's pretty easy once you see how it kind of goes. This goes into the wall, into the shower. This goes on here like that. Then you hook up your hose to the bottom of this. As you can see, this pot sticks up here. As you can see. And then this pot goes and connects with the shower head and looks like that. So you can see how it all comes together. So this is the easy part. Basically, just use plumber's tape right across here. Teflon tape, basically. It's a Teflon plumber's tape. You put that around there so it won't leak, as you can see, in really nice quality. So definitely, you can do both heads at one time. That's why you can do 2 heads, 1 head, or just 1 head if you just want to use the handheld. I like the handheld personally when you want to clean your shower. Or do your back, things like that. So this is really nice. And then you have all the controls on here as well, and all the controls on here as well. So you can see all the different spray settings you can do, and all the spray settings on this. And you can have them both running at the same time, and that's why it's very, very cool. I like this. All right, guys, so I hope it brought you some value. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, the company did send them to me. And if you are interested in this, there will be a link down below. Link down below for this product. You can see that it will be available. I do get a small commission, as you all know. So I make these reviews and just show you what's included in these kits and what to expect when you buy these things, because you really don't know what's included and what it has. And like I said, get a plumber, easy to do. But if you're handy yourself, you can do this yourself. There's no question about it. But if you're unsure, this is the way to go. I think one of these valves this is like the most important part is the valve in my book. Anti-scalding valves are really super important. Smooth operation, 5-year warranty. All in all, it's a great product. I like it. Thanks for sending it to me to do the review. Hope it brought you some value. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And also, if you enjoyed the video, consider that super thanks. It helps me out. Everything I do raise goes into my channel, or buy us a cup of coffee to help us continue growing and doing what we do. Hope you enjoyed this little presentation. I hope it brought you some value, some education, some knowledge. That's what I want to do, just to show you what these are about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.